Former Petroscam general manager arrested and charged with aiding and abetting.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, former general manager of the scandal-scarred Petroscam oil refinery, Floyd Grindley, was arrested and charged on Tuesday the 16th of March with 8 counts of aiding and abetting obtaining money by means of false pretense. Grindley's arrest and charge come a week after former chairman of Petroscam, Dr. Percival Badoo Singh, was slapped with charges of 12 counts of obtaining money by false pretense. According to the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA, allegations are that between December 2016 and May 2018, Grindley aided and abetted Badoo Singh in fraudulently claiming several reimbursements amounting to US $73,620. MOCA said over the period, it conducted a thorough multi-jurisdictional investigation into the allegations and prepared and submitted a file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who ruled that criminal charges be filed. Grindley was reportedly interviewed in the presence of his attorney and subsequently arrested and charged. He was later offered bail and is to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Wednesday the 17th of March, the agency said. Both Grindley and Badoo Singh were axed in 2018 as a multi-million-dollar corruption scandal engulfed Petroscam with allegations of irregularities, nepotism, and cronyism. The scandal also toppled then Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley, a loyalist of Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!